Yo, go back to the car, y'all. Oh, look. Levi. We are here at Target. Or actually, no, we just left Target, bro. And I'm about to go back Victorville. We're gonna go to the car meet later today. Right here, man. My trophy. My trophy right here. Yo, they about to go drifting again, yo. Yo, look at the fucking S14, dude. What the fuck? Oh, that's the blue. Do you see the blue one? He paints cars. Bro, this shit's clean as fuck, dude. Jars. Oh shit. It smells like tire, yo. Oh fuck. Oh my gosh, that's nice. What the fuck? Got the car meet, HD car meet, high desert car meet, you know. Bro, this shit's cool as fuck. Oh, it's FRS. Never mind. Bro, this is so badass. Huh? You want to see the Civics? Oh, yeah, didn't we see this? Yeah, we did, yeah. Hey, Jarvis, which one you like over here? Dude, look at those rims, yo.
Look at that logo. I've never seen a logo like that.
Oh, shit, that's so fucking cool, bro. See, dude, that is our car's not perfect, bro. Look, I like this shit, dude. That's how I want to make the rims.
The only thing we're missing are rims and fucking having it.
That's exactly how I would make the Prelude. Yo, you going crazy, yo. Look, everybody's watching, bro. Yo. Yo, let's go check it out, yo. Oh, his bumper. Bumper, yo. Oh, bro. No way. Bro, that's fucked up. I want one, bro. Damn, bro. My turn. Can I do that, bro? I don't even think the Prelude could do that, bro. The Prelude's a front wheel, yo. That's rear wheel drive, yo. That's crazy as shit. I will do that, though. Deadass. Don't tell me he's about to drift that, too. Don't tell me he's about to drift that, too, bro. No. He's actually about to do it, bro.
Yeah, we're gonna fucking die.
Dude, Rodeo, step back a little bit. No way he's actually.
Bro, no way, bro. Let's see how it goes. Roll over. Oh, he's leaking, bro. He's leaking. Look, he's leaking, bro. Look at the front. He's leaking. Oh, that's fucked up. You saw that? He's fucking leaking, bro.
Wait, did the guy? Oh, yeah, this is.
Yo, that motherfucker pulled over just to watch him.
Oh,
so funny. Oh shit! Fuck. Hey, yo, there's a Zenki. Zenki.
What? Where?
Over there. Come here, come here, come here. Yeah. Gareth. Gareth, right there. Look. Damn, bro. I love that shit, man. Fuck. Fuck. Damn, yo, that Civic sounds good, yo. Fuck. Huh? That Civic sounds fucking good, dude. That's the type of shit I like, bro. Oh, it's a fucking rev contest, bro. Come on. Hey, yo, I should bring it in. Should I bring it? shit, Jared. Oh fuck. My dream car right there, yo. My high school dream car, bro. Yeah, I know. Bro, yo, come on. That shit is fucking loud, bro. It's like contest, bro. Hold on. I'm gonna set this shit up, bro. I know, bro. Fuck. That's crazy, yo. This is fucking crazy. Fuck, yo. It's clean, yo.
All the meals together.
I'm gonna do a little drive-by real quick.
That's crazy. Prelude too. You see Prelude?
We're the only prelude, bro.
You see all these civics and like.
It's crazy as fuck, yo. Hold up.
Look at that
So-
Zenki, bro. Oh my god.
Fuck, dude.
Oh, look at his steering wheel was off.
His
That's
steering
cool,
was
that's
off?
cool as fuck.
That's
Yeah,
so badass.
he had his shit off and he put it on the top.
EGs, bro. These fucking EGs. Alright, well, shit. Oh my god, bro. What if, bro? I've seen an 132 before. Alright, y'all. We're back home. Our ears are destroyed.
What did you say?
Somebody's sleeping in there. Anyways, but yeah.
I'm sorry, guys.
Wait, let me see. Hold on.
Oh, excuse me.
Look at Sam Vlogger. Hey guys. You look weird. Aww. He has big paws.
That means
People.
that motherfucker's gonna be big.
They're really breaking on hives.
I be having that shit too.
Look, oh my.
Alright, y'all. Me and Jairus about to go to the gym. It's the next day, by the way. We're about to go get some gains, bitch. Today is chest, triceps, and shoulders day. Yes.
Let me see. Hold on. I want to see how it looks. Oh, shoot.
Professional shit.
Wait, where are you? Where are you at? Oh, there you are. Yo, freaking professional.
Oh shit,
Fucking
yellow.
shit.
Yellow.
Want me to start recording? Yeah, you can stop.
What is going on, you guys? We are here at In-N-Out drive-thru. The In-N-Out drive-thru, you know what I'm saying? There's mad cars right now. I don't know if you can see, but me and Jairus just left the gym and we're about to get some food.
Here we go, you gotta pay.
Professional shit. Look how low we are, guys. Look at this shit. Look how low we are, bro.
Oh, we are. Yeah, we're right. Oh, wait.
Static life? No, I ain't got no coils yet.
Shit.
Soon though, soon. I'm gonna get some coils. Hi, how's it going, man?
Professional shit.
4x4 scrolled Indian.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 1649.
Thank you, man. Oh. Thank you, man. You too. Oh, that's a Z. It's a Z. I want to show the stickers. So I went to the mall earlier, and I got these cool ass, expensive ass fucking stickers worth $28. So first I got this S14. Oh no, S13.
Oh, I need a
Anime
put it in
type
one.
shit.
I put it in one.
So right here, as you can see, it's pretty badass, you know. Pretty nice. And I got this motherfucker from Demon Slayer. Badass.
Yes.
Nah, but yeah, I want to put these on, but first, so next week on Friday, I have something coming in the mail, and I'm getting this shit fully tinted, so it's gonna look good. Oh shit. And then I'm gonna put the stickers on, so stay tuned for that shit. Alright.
So, what do we get, motherfucker? Dude, we need a light.
4x4 in this bit.
4x4.
We got 4x4
Secret menu.
on phone them. Hey, you want to
You know?
eat
Yeah.
Want to eat right here?
Yeah. You know, this shit's the 4x4. That shit's already like 1,000 calories. So
For
it's good.
$5.
$5. That's crazy.
Alright, y'all. Want to see the 4x4? Ooh. Here? Okay, you can stop the video. We're going. Alright, y'all, we're back home. It's been a few hours, actually. It's 3 in the morning. We're just up right now trying to eat anything we can. Because I just got done eating adobo. You know? Filipino food. Adobo. Good. And bodag. You know? That's that shit. There we go. Switch the view up. What's it called? So, plans for next week, right? Plans for the car. Thursday I'm getting my paycheck, and I'm gonna be ordering coilovers on that day. And on Friday, tints and a new front lip is coming in, so stay tuned for that shit. Alright, whatever noise. If you guys enjoyed the video, you know, give it a like, whatever. This is just I'm recording my, like, you know, my simple, my day-to-day life. You know, car meets. We got car meets going on. We got the prelude going on. We got gym shit going on, you know, and then we got gym foods. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy. I will see. What?
Let me see your eyes. Let me see your eyes.
Oh, that's the one I hate. I know. Alright, y'all. Whatever. It's all good. See you guys. What's it called? So we're gonna get some pizza. We're gonna see his reaction.